How to download Zoom meeting app. First, open your internet browser, then open your favorite search engine. So I'm using Google. Then in your Google search engine, just type Zoom. So the first link itself is the official Zoom website. So we're just going to click on Zoom platform to connect. So what is Zoom? Zoom is used by many people for Zoom meetings, for interviews, for client meetings, and even for team catch-ups, and even for personal use where people get in touch with the video call. To download Zoom, you can go on, click on products and click on virtual meetings. And we have the download option here. Or else the second way is when you search for Zoom, in your Google search engine, you can see in their official website, in the second option will be download directly. So you can just click on it, which will take you directly to the download page. So if you see here, you have many Zoom softwares. So you have many options here. So I'm going to the first page, which where we have clicked on. So here you can see you have even paid versions of Zoom. With this allows you to do meetings more than 45 minutes. Usually the free version all has only 45 minutes limit for one meeting link. You can rejoin by exiting the meeting and create a new link. So to download this software, just click on download. So you can see now we have landed on the both the pages are the same. So we are going to click on Zoom desktop client. My download has begun. So my download has been completed. So I'm going to open the downloaded folder. So to install this, double click on the Zoom installer. So you can see the installation was successfully. Zoom installs automatically its all default settings. So you can click on done. So if I go to my desktop, you can see the Zoom application is already launched. So here you'll have to sign in if you want to access. It is better you sign in because to display your name and whatever, if anyone is sending you invite through via email, your logged in email will show you the meetings aligned. So I'm just going to give sign in. So we can always sign in with Google. You can use your Facebook account, Apple account as well, or you can just create your Zoom ID by going to the Zoom official website. I'm just going to click on sign in with Google. So you can see now it is asking me for a permission. So I'm just going to give continue. So I'm just going to create account. Once the sign in process is done, so it launches. So any meeting aligned will be shown here where you can see add a calendar. And if you want to create a new meeting, you can just click on new meeting. And if you want to schedule, you can schedule the meeting. You can click on and schedule the meeting here. And if you want to join any meeting, you can click on join and you can add the meeting ID or the link and the password. So this is how you download and install Zoom into your desktop for Windows and for Mac. Thank you. Do hit the share and subscribe button.